Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I am beat, but I could not wait to open up this box. We just went for a 16-mile bike ride in 90-degree weather. It is summertime, and we love being out there. Deron has surprised me with something, and I don't even know what. If you see my pajama sleeve, yeah, I put my PJs back on after that hot ride. Oh, wow, what did you get me? Oh, you did. Oh, Deron, I have the tee. Oh, you got bigger boots too? Or is there just her boots?
Yep, nope, those are the medium.
Okay, comes with it.
Well, no, it does. Well, maybe it does.
Yeah, there aren't any here,
Okay.
so. Oh, gosh. How
Turn her over.
Oh, of course. You know how they have a business card sticking out of her butt to show her butt? I said if you put a credit card in there, does that mean she has money falling out of her? And there's more. There is more in this box. There is a doll in here, I bet you. Oh, hang on, I'm coming. And
He even includes a stand.
yeah, I love that.
Sorry, no bag though.
Yeah, we need a bag. All right, that's for my kitties. My cats, they love these boxes. Could I use your knife?
You bet.
Oh, I can't believe you did this. Thank you so much. The thing is, we also went shopping the other day. I wanted several things when the drop came up. One was this peach body. But I also wanted a doll to ride on my bike with me, so I was like my bicycle. So I'm trying to figure out, which one do I want? What's the best one? And I've been waiting, you know what, I'm gonna let you shut that. I've been waiting for some other dolls, and I didn't want to spend the money, and then the next day, here she is. But
As always, but you have this list of
I do.
coffee and
I do. I have a big long list.
cyber and a few others.
I do.
And I appreciate that you're not buying every single one as they come through.
I know who it is. Did you ask for cones?
I did.
And you got extra boobs?
I did. So now you have
I do. Yeah, the next day, or 2 days later, I'm like, you know what? I would like Ellie. And I said, I'm really thinking about that doll. And she sold. And I thought, well, that's okay. I wasn't jumping in with both feet. So I bought another doll. We did order that one, right?
Yep, she's coming. She'll be here Wednesday. And you all can see her then.
Yeah. And I ordered her to ride on my bicycle, which I think I'll stick with. I think I decided it was a better doll. Okay. For those of you that do not know, this is how a Smart Doll comes. These are really nice boxes. I don't even throw these larger ones away. I save them. Look at that. It's ridiculously nice. You do not usually get extra boobs unless you ordered them. Those were extra. You get your stand, which goes in her back. There's a hole. I'll show you that in a minute. And you get your wig. And then we got these just for fun.
I keep hoping you'll get some of the odd colors like the...
Yeah, blues and that.
Black
You get
navy.
this fantastic, I love these tote bags. They're not just a tote bag. They're very high quality tote bags. The canvas on them is really nice. Okay, let's get to it. You got Ellie, didn't you?
I did.
I love you. Thank you so much.
You don't remember, but the day they dropped, you were like, I want her. Well, wait, what if there's going to be more? And you finally said, you waited a little while and you said, okay, I want her. And I said, are you sure? Yeah, I want her. So I was going to, but then you started acting like you didn't want her. So I just went ahead and ordered
I want them
her.
all.
I went ahead and ordered her. Well, but once you tell me,
Oh, Oh, she's so cute.
Once you say buy her, there's no backing out.
She is cute without her wig. Let's put her wig and her big boobs on. Okay, I changed my mind. I wanted the bigger boobs over here on this body. I wanted to show you the differences between not only the boobs, but between the peach and the regular. Yes, it's a cinnamon head. I cannot face the stairs with my poor legs right now. They just rode me home. All right, let's see, does a business card stay here? No, okay. But when you turn her around, let me move this out of the way. Whoop! That is what you call a tight. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love this, Deron. Thank you. I got to tell you what Deron told me off camera. This doesn't count against my expenditure. This was just something he wanted to buy me. How fun is that? All right, let's look at the difference. All right, let me pull this one out. Oh, do you not love Against All Odds, which was Ellie in the beginning, so I'll probably call her Ellie. I love the sun-kissed face. That's why I was thinking about her on my bicycle, but I think I've decided that would be better. All right, let me pull the stand off this girl. And my chaos, I'm going to have to get braver. All right, here's the difference in the behinds. Is she taller? I think they're both flat-footed.
Yeah, they're the same.
Okay, looks a little taller. Could be the hair down too.
Yeah.
And the
Cone.
yeah. All right, let's go this way. You can see it's a little more peached out.
Turn Ellie a little bit towards us. Still.
Okay.
Her hair kind of covers everything.
Yeah,
She's
it
got that
does.
modest hair.
There you go.
covering.
There you go. And then forward. I love them both. I am so excited. Thank you so much, Deron. And thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and please make sure that you are still subscribed to my channels, YouTube. Or if you haven't yet, please subscribe. She's so bendy. I mean, seriously, bendy. And get this. Wait till you see how soft she is. Look at this. You can actually pinch her as she walks by. And this, too, is like squishy. She's so, oh, I love, love, love this body.